Welcome guys. In this tutorial I'm going to take you to some advanced setting and Zoom application. Okay, let's start. Click in here. So inside this there is some setting. So let's start from the bottom. From here you can sign out. If you click in here you can sign out from this application. So this is the switch of account. If you have two accounts you can switch account, switch to partial view, and also you can check for update from here. Okay, this is the help option if you need to help. Okay, the next is try to top feature. If you click in here it will take you through the site of this application and you will see what's the top feature and Zoom application. Okay, the next menu is my profile. If you click in here it will take you to direct to the web and show you your profile and Zoom application. Okay, the next menu is do not disturb. If you click to 1 hour or 20, if 4 hour, it will not disturb you for this time. Okay, the next menu is away. If you click to this it means you leave the meeting. So now it's available. So let's go to the inside the setting. Okay, let's start from the general. If you check this box it means start Zoom when I start the window. So the second is when close it, minimize window to the notification area instead of the taskbar. The next one, if you check the Xbox, it means enter with full screen automatically when starting or joining a meeting. So the next one is if you check this, automatically copy in with URL once the meeting starts. The next one is for the ask me to confirm when I have meeting. So the next one is show my connected time. Okay, if you check the Xbox it will remind you that 5 minutes before the upcoming meeting. So if you check this box it means stop my video and audio when my display is off or screensaver begins. And also from here you can select the skin of your reaction. And now let's jump to the video. Okay, for the camera you have three options. Which one you want to use, it's up to you. So I'm not going to change this. Okay, if you want to change the resolution, if you change to original or you want to the wide screen, it's up to you. So for my video, if you want to click to enable HD or mirror my video, it's up to you which option you want to select. I'm not going to change this. Okay, for the meeting this one is important. Always display participant names on their video. So this is not as important. If you want to check or not, it's up to you. Okay, let's jump to the audio. Here is two options, speaker and microphone. So you can test your speaker from here, and also you can select the system of the speaker from here, and also this the volume if you want to increase or decrease. So this is for the microphone. Now it's working. As you can see, this is my voice, detect my voice, and also you can decrease or increase the volume from here. So now it's automatically adjust the volume. I'm not going to change this. And there is some more setting if you want to active or deactive, it's up to you. So now let's jump to the share screen. Okay, there is 6 options in here if you want to check or not check. So the first one is enter full screen when a participant share screen. So it's by default is check. Maximize zoom window when a participant share screen. Scale to fit shared content to zoom window, and also enable the remote control of all applications, and also side-by-side mode. And the next one is silent system notification when sharing the stuff. So let's see inside the advanced. There is not something special, so let's back. So let's jump to the chat. Okay, there is also some more setting as I mentioned it for the advanced setting. So let's see what's new in here. So let's start from the chat setting. Show code snap button, and also include link preview. Change my status to away when I am inactive for 15 minutes. So for the next one is left slide bar dark or light. It's up to you to select dark or light. So let's see the inside the unread message. Keep all unread message on the top, so it's okay. So show unread message, so with this icon. When we open unread message in a channel, it's up to you to check the start at the first unread, or you want to check this box to start at the latest. So up to you. Push notification. It's up to you to select which one, for the all message or only for private message and mention, and also if you want to select for none of them. Okay. Receive notification for the keyboard and notify me or do not disturb between this time, or also play sound or mode notification or show notification box. It's up to you which one you want to take more. Okay. Let's jump to the virtual background. And here you can change your background. You can select the picture, or you can select the video. By default there is 3 picture and also 2 video, and also you can from here you can select your image or video from inside from your drive if you want to. So I'm not going to change this. Let's conceal this. Okay, so let's jump to the recording. Okay, if you record the meeting, from here you can set up the recording. So from here you can select the location for the recording file. By check this box, it allows you to choose the location for the recording file when the meeting ends. By check this box, allow you to record a separate audio file for each participant who speaks. If you want to check this box, optimize for third-party video editor, and also if you check this, add a timestamp to the recording, and also record video during screen sharing. If you check this box, it allows you to record video during the screen sharing, and also place video next to the shared screen in the recording. So if you check this box, it will keep you temporary recording file. So let's jump to the profile. And this is my profile. If you want to edit your profile, you can edit your profile from here. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade from here. If you want to view advanced feature, if you click in here, you will see the advanced feature. Okay, there is some data about their PC over about CPU, like memory and audio, video, and screen sharing. So let's jump to the keyboard shortcut. As you can see, there is many shortcut if you want to enable. So for example, if you enable the shortcut, it will show the meeting control. So I'm not going to enable this shortcut. So let's jump to the accessibility. Choose it caption. If you want to change this to the medium, or maybe choose to large, it's up to you. I'm not going to change this. Meeting controls. So if you check this box, it show meeting controls, and also chat display size. If you want to change to this display to 150 or 200, it's up to you. I'm not going to change this as well. This is how to setting your Zoom application and desktop version. This was all setting for the Zoom and desktop. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.